Right guys, just another video on some upgrades that I've bought for a Tamiya buggy champ. What I've bought is these wheel hub covers. Now, these are direct replacements for the original tyres. As you can see, these are the original ones. What you do, you get the front bit, you don't get the back bit. So basically they just retrofit over the top there. You get 4 of these, 2 front, 2 back. They're really easy to put on. You just take your screws out and just push them on, screw it back together. That's basically how you mount them up there. They're quite cheap actually. They work out about, I'd say £5 for one. So for all 4 it's basically £20 plus £6 postage and packing. I bought these from eBay, from PagUstore.com. I think the guy's called PG38 or something like that. They come from Korea and they're quite good. They come within 2 weeks. So I've mounted one already, as you can see. They look pretty good. It's just a front cover, like I said, so the original back stays on there. You can get these in a full billet, made out of a full billet piece of aluminium, but they're probably twice the price of what these are. So these are good enough for me. There's a bit of a weight difference as the original again. There is a bit of a weight difference, but it isn't much. So we'll just check these out. So this is with the cover mounted on the wheel. So these are the original ones. That comes out at 41.1 grams, and the aluminium ones come out at 47.6 grams. So there's a bit of a weight difference there, but I think it's negligible. I don't think it's going to affect the running of the car. It may improve it, I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one off here, show you how you mount them, then I'll do the rest of them, and basically I'll show you the car with all 4 wheel hubs on. Okay, so all you need to do is just take your screws out. It doesn't take you long to do this. And these original ones I've got is the ones that I've painted, because I don't like the kind of like the bare look of the plastic. These billeted ones though, that I've bought, they're anodised in aluminium, so you get that nice shine. Just pull these out. This is probably the hardest part, trying to pop these out. I think I've got it. I'll put a bit of force on the back end, hear it click, and they come out. There you go. So they just come out like that, and all you do, you get the new one, just line them up. Just line your rolls up. So have to be dead on, because you can always just adjust it slightly. Make sure it's lined up with the sensor. Does get a little bit awkward. And you just push on. Just try and line it up. So if you don't get them lined up first time, you're struggling a little bit. I think that might do. So there they are, pushed on. All you do is just put your screws back in. Hopefully I've lined these up good enough. Make sure your nuts in the back and just tighten them up. Like I said, you can buy the complete wheel hub that's billeted out of a solid piece of aluminium. It's going to probably cost you twice as much than what these are. You can't see the inside anyway, so I don't see the point. You can get these at half the price. Peel my screw. Oh yeah, done. Like I said, the only difference between them is the design slightly. They're the same dimensions, but the design's different. As you can see, it's like a star pattern there. These are just round with 5 holes drilled through. So they do look pretty good actually. So what I'll do, I'm going to put them on the vehicle, on the buggy champ, and I'll show you a video of them mounted. Okay, all the wheels are on now, and that's what it looks like. Makes a big difference in the look of it. Here's the other side. Put some light in there. Okay, I'll put a link in the description of the wheel hubs and where you can buy them. So thanks for watching and see you later.